Hello, everyone. We are now in the holiday season where we celebrate with loved ones and enjoy delicious food. However, it can also be a challenging time if you're trying to maintain a healthy diet. So, in today's video, I'll be sharing with you some tips on how to master healthy holiday eating. Tip 1. Plan your meals ahead of time. The first tip is to plan your meals ahead of time. Before attending any holiday events, make a list of what you plan to eat and stick to it. This helps you avoid overeating and making unhealthy choices. Tip 2. Stay hydrated. The second tip is to stay hydrated. Drinking water can help fill you up and prevent overeating. It also boosts your metabolism and helps your body flush out any toxins. Tip 3. Include healthier options in your meals. The third tip is to include healthier options in your meals. Choose lean proteins such as turkey or chicken instead of red meats. Add some green vegetables or a salad to your plate to increase fiber and nutrient intake. Tip 4. Control portion sizes. The fourth tip is to control portion sizes. It's easy to pile your plate high with food during the holidays, but this often leads to consuming more calories than you need. Use smaller plates and bowls to control your portions and avoid overeating. Tip 5. Avoid skipping meals. The fifth tip is to avoid skipping meals. Many people think they can save calories if they skip meals before a holiday feast. However, this often leads to overeating and making unhealthy choices. Instead, make sure you eat a healthy breakfast or lunch before attending any holiday events. Tip 6. Practice mindful eating. The sixth tip is to practice mindful eating. Take your time eating and enjoy every bite. Pay attention to your body's signals and stop eating when you're full. This helps prevent overeating and making unhealthy choices. Tip 7. Limit alcohol consumption. The seventh tip is to limit alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can negatively impact your health goals. Choose lower calorie options such as wine or light beer and limit your intake. Tip 8. Stay active. The eighth tip is to stay active. Exercise helps keep your metabolism up and burns extra calories. Take a walk after a big meal or try to incorporate some physical activity into your holiday celebrations. Tip 9. Allow yourself the occasional treat. The ninth tip is to allow yourself the occasional treat. It's okay to indulge in a dessert or other holiday treat every once in a while. Just make sure you balance it out with healthier options and moderation. Tip 10. Don't stress too much. The final tip is to not stress too much. The holidays are a time to enjoy with loved ones and celebrate. By following these tips, you can still maintain a healthy diet while enjoying delicious food. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope these tips on how to master healthy holiday eating were helpful. Remember to plan your meals ahead of time, control portion sizes, and stay active. And most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the holidays and the delicious food that comes with it.